Take a ride in the 2009 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, running boards, anti-lock brakes, traction control, xenon headlights, CD changer, dual airbags, power steering, driver lumbar, HomeLink garage door opener. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.